Hey everyone, this is Jesse here at Jesse Lee Strength and Fitness. We just wrapped up run number 30. So gearing up to the 5K, which is going to be this weekend. Today was a drills workout. It was a pre-race workout. So I've taken it fairly easy. I want to make sure that when it comes time to run my 5K, I'm well rested. I'm not overtraining on the week leading up to it. And I'm getting good rest, eating my fruits and vegetables and my lean protein. So just trying to, be mindful, but also I think all the gains that I was going to make are there. Now it's just practice and having fun and trying to just feel into it a little bit and test the waters. Today was a 15-minute warm-up, and I walked for 3 minutes, I jogged for 7 minutes, and then I did a walk for 5 minutes. And then I went into my cadence drills. And on the cadence drills, I was feeling really good. Like my actual run pace now is right in between that 182 to 195 or 192. So on these drills, I think they've been honing and fine tuning the cadence as you kind of get towards your race. Now you're actually in that cadence that you can hopefully maintain throughout your race. Today I was noticing, I went up 188, 184, 189. So on those 4 different drills, I was just kind of keeping an eye on that cadence and trying to hit it for those 30 seconds and then walk my 30 seconds and then get right back to the cadence and trying to get a feel for what that actually feels like to run at that cadence for that amount of time. So I think that's really cool practice to get a sense for what your cadence is without having your instrument at all, just being having an inner knowledge of oh, okay, I'm at 184 right now. That feels pretty good. I'm going to hold this pace, whatever it might be. So it's definitely nice to build. I think with any reps, with any thing you do in the gym, as you do it more, hopefully you don't get more sloppy. Hopefully you get more fine-tuned. So you're trying to notice more nuances. That's one of the things that I think I try to impart as much as I can on clients is we're going to get better. We're going to maybe doing this movement for a long period of time. So let's get a little bit better rather than have it where we start to get sloppy as we do things. So the real kind of instruction that I want to give here is that don't ever take a movement for granted. Don't ever take something for granted that you've done a lot of. Make every opportunity a chance to get a little bit better. Notice how you're holding your body. Notice your head position. Notice your core. Notice your feet. Notice all of those things for every single rep, for every single step. Bringing that mindful awareness into your movement patterns is going to help you stay out of pain. And then on the cool down, what I did was 2-minute walk, 3-minute jog, and a 5-minute walk to finish it out. So it was pretty nice and easy. I felt really good about that. I felt like I challenged myself enough and I got some good practice in, but I'm still trying to get a little bit of rest for the weekend. Total mileage coverage, 2.55. Total time was 29 minutes. And my pace during my cadence drills was a 7:04. So all in all, really good workout. Really happy about that. I'll be headed out to Chicago on Thursday, taking the train up to Chicago for the Perform Better Summit to see the likes of Greg Cook and Lee Burton and Eric Cressy. And then I plan on that Saturday morning while in Chicago to run my 5K at a local park or something like that. Just me versus the time, and hopefully it'll be really fun. And then I'll roll right into another 5K training program. I think I'll just stick with the 5K training program for this next season, and then we'll just keep rolling. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're learning from these, and please like, subscribe, and share, and make sure to catch up if you want to check out any of the other runs. There's 30 of them. So cheers.